Assalamu alaikum. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nikan Revelina, NPM 234111094. I will here convey definition, types, and elements of tax. 1. Definition of tax. Tax is a compulsory contribution imposed by the government on individuals or entities without direct reciprocal benefits. It is used to finance public needs such as infrastructure, healthcare, and education. Although taxpayers do not receive specific rewards, taxes are essential for funding national development and public services. The obligation to pay taxes is regulated by law, and non-compliance can lead to administrative or legal sanctions. In addition to being a revenue source, taxes also function as tools for regulating the economy and redistributing wealth. Key characteristics of taxes include their mandatory nature, the absence of direct returns to the taxpayer, collection by government institutions, and use for the public interest. Second, types of taxes. Taxes in Indonesia are categorized in several ways. Based on the collecting authority, there are central taxes such as income tax, PPH, value-added tax, VAT, luxury goods sales tax, PPNBM, and land and building tax for non-rural urban sectors. These are collected by the central government through the Directorate General of Taxes. Meanwhile, regional taxes are collected by local governments and include motor vehicle tax, entertainment tax, advertisement tax, and parking tax. Based on the nature of transfer, taxes are classified into direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes, like income tax, are imposed directly on income or wealth and cannot be transferred. Indirect taxes, such as VAT, are imposed on transactions and can be passed on to consumers. Third, elements of tax. Several key elements define the structure of taxation. The taxpayer is the individual or entity legally obligated to pay taxes. The tax object refers to income, goods, property, or activities subject to taxation. The tax base is the measurement used to calculate tax liability, such as income amount or property value. The tax rate determines how much tax is owed based on the base. The tax authority is the government body responsible for imposing and collecting taxes, either the Directorate General of Taxes for central taxes or regional tax offices for local ones. Lastly, the legal basis refers to the laws and regulations that ensure the fairness and legality of the tax system. Conclusion: taxes are vital to a country's economy, serving both as a main source of revenue and as a policy tool. Understanding the definition, types, and elements of tax helps individuals and businesses fulfill their responsibilities while contributing to national growth and public welfare. That's all from me. Thank you, and wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.